Want to delete friends in PUBG but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to delete friends from friend list in PUBG. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by tapping on the friend section which is below your profile. Next, tap on the three dot icon. From the menu that pops up, tap on the delete button. Now select the friend that you want to delete. Then tap on the delete button from the bottom of your screen. If you are sure, tap on the OK button. And that's how you can delete friends from friend list in PUBG. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.